Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐬𝐲 with another tutorial whether how we can merge or delete a vendor profile in QuickBooks Desktop. Well, when you have a long list of vendors, instead of looking for a particular vendor in the list one by one, you just simply search the name of the vendor. And if nothing shows up, you just go and create a new vendor and record your transactions. Not realizing that the same vendor may have already been saved with a different name or spelling. Like here you can see that the same vendor has already been saved with a slightly different spelling. And when you go to all vendors, you see that the same vendor has been made inactive too, which has been created and saved with a slightly different name. Anyhow, to make it active, just click on cross sign and it will start showing in the active vendor list. And here you can see that the same vendor with a slightly different name and spelling has been created thrice. Anyhow, in such situations, you have two options. Either you can delete the duplicated account or merge them. So right click on one and select delete vendor. And if no transaction has been recorded under this duplicated account, you can delete it right away by clicking on OK. And here you can see that one duplicated account has been deleted. And under this duplicated account, one transaction has been recorded. And if you try to delete it, the QuickBooks won't let it. Instead, it will suggest you to make it inactive, which we don't want to. So just click on cancel to close the window. Well, if you really want to delete it, you need to change the recorded transaction into someone else's name that has been recorded under this duplicated account to clear it. And then you will be able to delete it quite conveniently. But since we know that these two vendors representing the same vendor, we can just merge them instead of deleting one of them. So double click on the one you want to merge and change its name with the one you want to keep. And as soon as you will click on OK, the QuickBooks will inform you that this name is already being used. Would you like to merge them? Since we want to, just click on yes. And here you can see that the duplicated account has been merged with the one we want to keep. And this is how you can merge or delete a vendor profile in QuickBooks Desktop. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.